How are you, laddies, my day? It's time to play more Happy Wheels! Uh-oh. Happy Wheels. See if this one works. Oh, Rey Mysterio, $9.99. I need one of those. What? That one doesn't work. None of them work. Screw you, Billy. See if this one works. Happy Wheels Gaming. Where I could get it to work. Work! Piece of trash. Well, that one doesn't work. See if this one works. 2PG Gaming. Oh, come on. Local block. That one doesn't work. Let's try this one. Screw you, Billy. Surprised if you can actually full screen the game. If you can hear my parents in the back room. In the background, actually. Come on. Yeah! Okay, turn that down a bit. See, look at that. Full screen. Uh-oh. The lag is real. The lag is real. The lag is real. Let's play rope swings. You ready, Steve? Go, Steve! Uh-oh. I didn't let go. Ow! My butt! I gotta grab it! Oh! That hurt. A lot. Okay, screw you! Well, that was crap! Oh. Ah, come on. Oh! I tried to grab on. I tried to grab on. Let's play BMX Park. Go, Bobby and Billy! Uh-oh, Billy survived. Billy survived. Where's Billy going? There's the dad dead. Well, Billy's still alive! Screw you, Billy! Oh, the lag is real. The lag is real. Oh. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh. Can I still go? Uh-oh. Then let's see if we can kill Bobby. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, jeez.
Damn it.
I love him when he says that. He said that, though. The lag is real, guys. I'm telling you. Uh-oh. Bye, Billy. Kill Billy! Yeah! Screw you, Billy! Okay. Yeah! Oh, we didn't check that out. Oh, crap. Whoa. Whoa. What? There you go. Whee! Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm not. Yeah! Yes! Finally! It keeps happening? Huh. Ooh. Willy. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. What's going on? Why did I press Z? Oh. Willy. Willy. What are you doing, Willy? Willy? He lost his head! His head had gone lost. Oh, he's a fallen. Forget! It's actually how to control everything. Oh, don't go that way. Oh, oh, no! Yeah, Willy! This is the wrong button. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Survive! 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 Uh-oh. Oh, no. You don't need legs! And you don't need a head! Crap. Oh, no. Alright, we're gonna finish it off today with Good Boss Scream! And then choose Soulboy Steve. Get in there, Steve. Don't have your butt hanging out. Oh, there we go. Oh, Wrecking Ball! Uh-oh. Oh, no! Well, thank you for that. Kindly appreciate it. Oh, no. But this is where I always get decapitated. This kind of part I always get decapitated. Yeah! Completed the level. The level has been beat. Yes. Well, that does it for this episode of Happy Wheels. And check out the like in the description below. Sorry for the mess up. And I'll see you all you dudes in the next video.